on, everyone? You got a 2020 Hyundai Kona. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in the remote. So the first thing you're going to want to do is turn it over, and there's a button right here that's going to allow you to release the emergency key. We're going to move that over to the right like this, and then we can pull the emergency key out. Now if we look inside of the remote, we're going to turn it over with the buttons facing down. This is the slot for the emergency key, and right below it there's a little slot right here, right below it. We're going to use that to pry the remote open. There's this seam right here in the middle, so you need a small flathead screwdriver, and we're going to stick it right in this little slot. It's very shallow, all right, very shallow. The screwdriver doesn't go very far, it doesn't go far at all. Stick it in here, and then go ahead and twist the screwdriver clockwise, all right, and it'll open the remote up. See how it kind of cracked it open right here? And then we're going to finish opening it up with our screwdriver like this. I'm going to remove the back half cover, and it'll show you the battery. Here's the battery right here. Now what we got to do is push it up from this bottom part here, and we can slide it out. It's pretty easy to pull out. I'll show you what size the battery is. The battery size is going to be a CR2032. I'm going to have the part number with the size down in the description box, and a link takes you to Amazon if you want to buy a new battery. But we're going to get the positive side. It's going to be facing us. You see a positive sign here, both facing us. Slide it back in here like that, push it all the way down, get the back half of the remote, and we're just going to push this back together here at clock and pit, like clock and link and clock and click and everything like that. Get the emergency key, put it back in, and if it locks in, you're good to go. Hope the video was helpful. Really appreciate it if you'd hit that like button.